Here are the Winter Wonderland litter at 4 weeks old. Hey, sweetie. They're walking around really good. Darting. Prancer. Hey, sweetheart. Some of them are just starting to take tastes of food. Hey, Dancer. And already they love sitting in the lap. Don't you? Which makes doing videos harder. Hey, look up, sweetie. There's Blitzen. Hello, Blitzen. Hello. Hey, Dancer. Hi, cutie. Here comes Dasher. See her right up in the lap. What's Prancer got? I'm sure she sees something that only kitties can see. Yeah. Vixen. This is one sweet girl. She's the biggest kitten in the litter. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Vixen. They're all sweet. They have really, really nice personalities. Hi. Hello. Boom. Did you fall down, Dash? Dasher, did you fall down? Blitzen. Hello, Dasher. Did you find a toy? Yeah? That's a new one that I put in here for you, huh? Vixen. Hey, Vixen. Come here. Oh, she's purring. Hi. I love that sound. Vixen. Hi, sweetie. She's got a nice white head. Blitzen, what you doing? You all want to climb up on my lap, don't you? Hey, Dancer. Hi, can you get up? Sure. Oops. Boom, Prancer. Oops, she's chasing that thing that only she can see. Are you covering that food up, Blitzen? Is that not acceptable? Yesterday was the first day they tasted some dry food. A couple of them. Hi, Vixen. What, you wondering how to get out of here? You trying to find the door? I keep them in an enclosed area for a little bit. It helps me know that they're safe. It helps litter train them. But I know that within this area there's nothing dangerous for them. Until they get a little bit older. Hi, Vixen. What you doing? Look at this toy. Hey, Prancer. Prancer. I'm more enamored by your foot. Hey, you. Hey, sweetie. Kittens just hanging out in my lap. Dancer, do you like playing with the sheet? Huh? You like playing with the sheet? Yes. Kitty tussle. Kitty tussle. Where are you going, Dasher? Are you looking for a door too, sweetie? Huh? Prancer. You're already looking for a way out, huh? Are you already looking for a way out? Hi, cutie. There's Blitzen. There's Blitzen. Play with some toys. Yeah. Hi, Vixen. What you doing, Prancer? You think there's a secret entrance out there, huh? Do you? What's that? What's that? Oh, did you see the thing Prancer saw? Huh? What do you think, Vixen? I think I want milk. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. You're gonna come up here with me? Okay. I think that's it for this week. I'll say goodbye to everybody, and we'll do another video when they're about 5 weeks old. So for now, it's goodbye from the Winter Wonderland letter. Bye, everybody.